guys, welcome back to Chasing Limits. So today we're in the middle of doing an oil change on this 2021 4Runner right here. And I know most of you know how to do your own oil changes, but I ran into a little bit of an issue when removing this factory OEM oil filter housing. Now, as you guys can see, it's plastic. And the issue with it that I ran into today is when I went to remove it, it cracked on me. And I started noticing oil seeping out a little bit. Now, for those of you that don't know, there is a solution for this. So this is the solution right here. This is an aluminum oil filter cap or filter housing. It looks pretty similar to the OEM side by side. And this one comes with 3 different adapters, so we'll have to match up to see which one we have there, and then we can switch it out. Comes with all the instructions, diagrams, everything that you need. Now this is by Dorman, and this is the part number right here. So if you guys Google this part number, you'll see that this fits all 4Runner years, Lexus models from GX, LX, IS, RC series, a whole bunch of different models. So this is a very popular one. Now the good part about this part is that it's backed by a 25-year warranty or 60,000 kilometers. And the best part about it, it's only $50 or $60 Canadian with tax. Now I called the Toyota dealership to see how much it would cost from them. And the only replacement is to have it the same as this, so still same plastic housing, and that was $238 plus taxes. So the way I see it, I'm spending $60 on a much more quality aftermarket part. So let's see how she bolts in. All right, so the oil filter housing is this thing right here. So we got it all cleaned up. So now we're ready to install, and we'll see how she threads in. All right, so here we have it started, and it does come with this black OEM gasket here with the kit. And all we have to do is thread it in. The threads seem to be correct, so no issues at all. That's it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this installation. So I pretty much consider this an upgrade over the factory plastic filter housing. So this one is, we're never gonna have any issues with it cracking. So I do suggest you do some preventative maintenance and buy this ahead of time if you have one of the vehicles listed below. It's gonna save you a lot of headaches, especially if you go in to do a quick oil change and then it ends up cracking on you. So yeah, just have it on hand. It's a very easy swap, as you can see, and that'll last you many, many years. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'm gonna leave the part number in the link down below as well for your reference. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.